Hi guys, today I'll be showing you a video on how to see who is following you on Facebook. You open your Facebook app, you go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon, which can be found on the top left corner and is represented by your profile picture or an avatar. Once you are in your profile page, you will see three dots below the profile picture. You tap on it to open the friends section. In the friends section, you look for a tab labeled followers. You can see three tabs on the screen: followers, following, and friends. So you tap on followers to see the list of people who are following you. You can scroll through this list to see all your followers. But if you do not see the followers tab, it could be because you have set your followers setting to private. You don't have any followers yet, or the Facebook app version you are using might be different. So make sure to update the app. Now, to adjust the followers settings, you tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You tap on settings and privacy. After doing that, you tap on settings. Then you scroll down to the audience and visibility section. In the audience and visibility section, you tap on followers and public content. Then you tap on who can follow me and ensure to set it to public if you want people to follow you. By doing this, you should be able to see who is following you on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.